What comes to your mind when I say e-commerce platform? Amazon? Well, we have our own Indian e-commerce platform like Flipkart and one more company that worked its way to reach great heights. Today we are going to talk about the success story of Snapdeal. Snapdeal was founded by Kunal Bal and his friend Rohit Bansal. Kunal got his early education at Delhi. He graduated from University of Pennsylvania, completing his entrepreneurship and management courses. After his graduation, he worked at Microsoft and returned to India in the year 2008. Kunal was ambitious and had big dreams. He wanted to become an entrepreneur and started his entrepreneurial journey when he was studying his bachelor's degree. He started a detergent company and managed to get his products into Walmart stores. Wait, Walmart? Have you guys heard about Walmart? No? Don't worry, I already made a video about it. Click the I button and watch it. Kunal wanted to start his own venture and along with his friend Rohit, he started an offline couponing business and named it Money Saver. In just 3 months, they sold 15,000 coupons. Later, inspired by Alibaba Groups, Kunal and Rohit decided to change their business completely, trying to replicate Alibaba Groups. If you don't know what Alibaba Group does, click the I button and watch the video I already made. So, they closed their couponing business, which was criticized by many people. Even the investors thought it was a bad idea. But Kunal convinced the board members and it was Kunal's decision to start an e-commerce business. He took the risk all by himself and started his business. He started it as a daily deals platform in 2010. Later in 2011, expanded it to become an online marketplace. It was really hard for Kunal and Rohit initially as they were completely new to this. They made a lot of mistakes and learned from them. They worked really hard and no wonder how the company got its initial rapid growth. Snapdeal became one of the fastest growing e-commerce company in India. In just 6 years, it became $1 billion company. They spent crores and crores on marketing and their vision came true. Kunal Bal said, "Scale is important for a startup. Think big, but take one day at a time." Few things to learn from this story is that they were inspired by Alibaba Groups, but they did not stop themselves by saying, "We don't know how to do that." They took up the challenge. They worked hard even when things went wrong, when they made mistakes. They did not give up by saying, "I'm not able to do this." They learned from their mistakes and continued to work. This is the spirit everyone needs in their life. Have a big dream, believe and work for it.